Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to use count in Excel. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. So as you can see, I have two columns. One is name and one is payment. In payment I have a none here in Leah, right? So I could put same thing, none for, let's say, Noah. So I have two nuns, but how do I know how many payments I made, right? I cannot just count the number of cells. So if I do that, I could say, okay, there are 21 cells that are there, right? So I want to see how many payments I made. So if you have thousands of records like that, then it's hard to do count uh, by looking at it or going through it. Right now we can see, okay, there are 21 out of 21, two of them we didn't make any payments. So that means only, and let's say let's make one blank also. So that means, so three payments we didn't do. So it should be total of let's say in here 21 minus 3, that's going to be 18, right? So we should get an 18 number. So let's say, so number of payment. Okay, so what you want to start with is equal, as you want to type any formula, and you want to type in count. As soon as you type count, you will get the list of formula and just hit tab. And value, actually what you want to do is you want to select this range and press F4 on your keyboard to make it absolute and close the parentheses and hit enter. And as you can see, there are 18 of them. So what this count formula does is it counts number of it counts to see how many numbers are there in this column, right? If you use the same thing to find here, you won't find anything because there's no number there. So equal, let's check it out, count. So I'm selecting this range, make it absolute and close parentheses and hit enter. See, there are no numbers in here. So it's probably a way if you want to check it, so it's 0. So let's say I make a William as 5, and as soon as I type in 5, you could see it's 1. So basically count is to check for number of numbers in that column. Okay, so that's how we use the count. Thank you for watching.